So currently I'm doing activity 2, step number 6. This is my glass stirring rod, this is my pH strip, and this is 5 milliliters of the soap solution that we made with the purified water. I'm gonna take my stirring rod, I'm gonna put it in, just gonna stir it around, make sure I get all of the different elements. I'm gonna touch it to my pH paper. Whoa! Okay, I'm gonna do that a couple times just to get an even layer. And the paper is instantaneously changed color. It looks a little bit more purple on camera than it does in person, but you know, that is really cool. So now that I finished with test tube 1 and all of the requirements, like doing the different kinds of drops with the original soap sample, this is test tube 2, and this is the other sample that we did with the hard water. So now I'm going to test the pH of this just to compare the difference or the similarity. This one is a lot more yellow. Also, this takes a really long time. I feel like we should just dip the sample and it won't reach. Okay. As you can see, the paper is definitely turning into a nice yellow color. That indicates a pH of like 7, maybe 8, because it's a little bit green, but it looks really yellow on camera. I am fascinated by the difference in the color sample. Upon completing lab number 9, which was the saponification of fatty acids, I really enjoyed seeing the different things that soap kind of had. We made the one with the sodium hydroxide and the vegetable oil. That was really interesting because it is a little bit of a, this is getting reversed. It was a little bit of a darker pH, so it was like a 9.5. It's a little bit darker than the card, but it's definitely not a 10. And then this one right here is a solid 8 for number 2. This was the one we used with the hard water. It was cool to see. And then I used Dawn like Platinum. It comes in a silver bottle. The pH was a little bit lower, I guess. I don't know why the pH was lower. I used, just a little bit to make the bubbles in about the same amount. And that was really interesting to see the differences between all the soaps and how the water and the different chemical elements affect them.